A warm welcome to AD4 TV Radio News Update, coming to you live from Abuja, Nigeria's federal capital. I am Merciful Ajinomo. Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari has directed security agencies in the country to allow unhindered movement of essential commodities across the country so as to avoid food shortages. It will be recalled that the government had placed a ban on interstate travels within the country as one of its strategies to battle the spread of the deadly coronavirus. The British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has said his health deteriorated so badly after contracting the coronavirus that the strategy was drawn up in case he died. Prime Minister Johnson stated that he was reluctant to go to hospital as it didn't seem to be a good move, but expressed gratitude to those who forced him to. In the same vein, the president of Iran, Hassan Rouhani, said mosques would reopen across large parts of the country this Monday after they were closed in early March amid the COVID-19 outbreak. The president said 132 counties, which is about a third of the country's administrative divisions, will reopen their mosques from Monday. Still on the COVID-19 pandemic, the president of Tanzania, John Magufuli, said his country will import the Madagascar herbal tonic, which has been touted as a cure for coronavirus by the president of Madagascar. He said he was already in contact with the government of Madagascar and would dispatch an aircraft to the country to bring in the medicine. Talking sport, Germany's Minister for Interior and Sport supports a resumption of the country's football season this month despite the coronavirus pandemic. The German Football League plans resumption of matches without spectators, which would make it the first major European championship to make such a move. We'll take a break, and when we return, Plateau State, Nigeria installs CCTV cameras to monitor border routes. Stay with AD4 TV Radio.
As the world faces the challenge of the coronavirus pandemic and governments around the world are racing against time, AD4 TV Radio thanks you all for doing your part to stop the spread of the disease. Be safe at home and practice hygiene. Protect yourself and others. Do not panic. Do not self-medicate. Listen to all preventive advice and stay at home, as well as maintain social distancing. Say no to fake news. Get authentic updates from the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19, the Federal Ministry of Health, the NCDC, and of course, AD4 TV Radio, your credible and reliable channel. Please stay safe to save others.
Many thanks for staying. The Plateau State government in Nigeria has installed CCTV cameras at various exit and entry points in the state as part of the measures to prevent the spread of coronavirus in the state.
Where we have so much reports of infiltrations, we planted cameras, and then we have this borders view directly from here, and then we're currently working on the process of security to see that once we have an infiltration through the borders, because we are seeing them here in real time online, we're able to make phone calls to the next checkpoint to actually make further assessment of whoever that is coming into the state.
In another development, the Emir of Kaurana Moda of Zamfara State, Mohammed Asha, last Thursday died of complications suspected to be from coronavirus. The Publicity Secretary for the Control and Prevention of COVID-19 in the state, Alhaji Mustafa Jafaru Kaura, said the late Emir had been in isolation at the Yariman Bakura Specialist Hospital, Gusau. Meanwhile, Aliko Dangote, a business tycoon in Nigeria, listed amongst the richest in the world, has donated to his home state Kano a mobile testing center with capacity to test 400 people for COVID-19 daily. Abba Anwar, the chief press secretary to Governor Abdullahi Ganduje, in a statement, made this known to the public this Saturday. Talking security, the governor of Ekiti State, Nigeria, Dr. Kayode Fayemi, has approved the appointment of members of the governing board of the State Security Network Agency, Amotakunko, in a bid to ensure effective takeoff and efficient management of Ekiti State Security Network. The governor's chief press secretary, Yinka Oyebode, in a statement, listed the board members as follows: Akin Arigbeshola as chairman, Joe Komalofe as co-commander, Dr. BJ Akin Obashola, Joel Idu, and Ajayi Fakorede as members. Still on security, twins of a popular Oyo Islamic cleric, Taufik Akeugba Gold, regained their freedom 8 days after they were abducted by gunmen in Ibadan, Nigeria. This comes days after the abductors demanded 55 million naira in exchange for their release. That's it on AD4 TV Radio News Update, coming to you live from Abuja, Nigeria's capital. You can join the conversation on our website at www.ad4tvradio.com. Please follow us on our social media platforms at AD4 TV Radio on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at AD4 TV Radio. Many thanks for watching. I am Merciful Ajinomo.